What if I told you that buying the wrong BMW could be the most expensive mistake of your life? Some of these cars look sleek, sound powerful, and drive like a dream, at least at first. But beneath the hood, hidden away from your test drive's smile, could be a disaster waiting to strike. Some BMWs have a reputation for catastrophic failures that leave owners stranded, repair bills in the thousands, and savings accounts drained dry. Yet on the flip side, there are models that prove the legendary BMW badge can still deliver decades of reliable luxury and thrill. These are the BMWs you need to avoid at all costs, and the ones that can reward you with years of dependable performance if you choose wisely. Let's start with the disasters. The 2006 to 2010 BMW 335i N54 engine. At first glance, the 2006 to 2010 BMW 335i seems like the perfect car. With its twin turbochargers, smooth 300 horsepower acceleration, and sporty handling, it feels like everything BMW promised. But what looks like a dream on the test drive quickly turns into a financial nightmare once you own it. The biggest problem lies in the N54 engine, which has earned a notorious reputation among BMW fans and mechanics alike. The high-pressure fuel pump, a vital part of this engine, fails in nearly 80% of cars between 60,000 and 100,000 miles. When it goes out, it's not just a simple swap. It can contaminate the entire fuel system with metal shavings, leaving owners to replace injectors, lines, and pumps at a cost that can easily hit $6,000. And that's only the beginning. Direct injection causes heavy carbon buildup on the intake valves, forcing owners into a $1,000 walnut blasting service every 40,000 miles just to keep the car running smoothly. Add in turbocharger failures, wastegate rattles, and intercooler pipe blowouts, and suddenly this affordable luxury performance sedan is bleeding thousands of dollars a year in repairs. According to RepairPal, average annual repair costs top $1,200, but single breakdowns can run as high as $8,000. Independent shops often lack the tools needed to diagnose these problems, meaning you're stuck paying dealer-level rates. Insurance is high because the car is classified as a performance vehicle, and theft risk adds even more to the cost. Yes, the 335i is a blast to drive when it works, but unless you have endless money and endless patience, this BMW will punish you for every mile you put on it. The 1999 to 2006 BMW X5 V8 models. The first generation BMW X5 looked like a breakthrough when it launched. BMW took its sports car DNA and built it into a luxury SUV. The result was stylish, powerful, and full of prestige. But reality caught up quickly, and owning one of these SUVs, especially the V8 versions, became a nightmare for many families. One of the most devastating problems is transfer case failure, which affects nearly 60% of these vehicles between 80,000 and 120,000 miles. The transfer case is what allows the SUV to split power between the front and rear wheels. When it fails, the vehicle becomes completely undrivable, and the bill for replacement runs $4,000 to $6,000. Even worse, the failure often damages other drivetrain parts, piling on even more expenses. Then there's the cooling system, which is filled with fragile plastic parts that crack and break at the worst possible times. Water pumps, thermostats, and expansion tanks give out frequently, and when they do, overheating can destroy the engine in minutes. V8 models with the M62 engine are especially vulnerable, with many owners losing entire motors from simple cooling failures. On top of that, X5s equipped with air suspension bring a whole new level of pain. The air compressor fails, the airbags leak, and owners are left facing repairs between $2,000 and $4,000 just to get the car to sit level again. Add in endless electrical issues, window regulators breaking, seat memory functions failing, random sensor lights popping up, and the X5 becomes a rolling money pit. Consumer Reports data shows average annual repair bills over $1,500, and that doesn't include the catastrophic failures that can double or triple that number in a single year. While the straight-six 3.0i version avoided some of these issues, the V8 models remain one of the riskiest BMWs ever built. For buyers without a second wallet reserved just for repairs, this is an SUV best left in the past. The 2012-2018 BMW 328i and 428i N20 engine. Now we move into newer territory. And this one might shock you. You'd expect a BMW from just a few years ago to be safe, right? Unfortunately, the 2012 to 2018 328i and 428i with the N20 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine are ticking time bombs. The biggest danger is the timing chain, a weak link that has destroyed countless engines long before they hit 100,000 miles. When the chain stretches or breaks, it throws the engine timing off, smashing pistons into valves and destroying the entire motor instantly. Owners are left staring at repair bills between $15,000 and $20,000, more than the car is worth. The scariest part is that this often happens with no warning at all. One day the car runs fine, the next it's junk. BMW initially denied there was even a problem, leaving owners stranded and out thousands of dollars. Only after multiple class action lawsuits did the company extend warranties, but even then, countless people were left uncovered. Beyond the timing chain disaster, the N20 engine also suffers from turbocharger failures, wastegate actuator breakdowns, high-pressure fuel pump issues, and the same carbon buildup headaches that plagued the earlier N54. Consumer Reports surveys show failure rates exceeding 25% before 100,000 miles, making this one of BMW's worst modern engines. Even if you find a car with all the right repairs done, the risk is still too high. Most BMW experts agree the N20 should be avoided at all costs. The 2009-2011 BMW 328i N52 engine. Now let's turn the corner and look at the BMWs that actually deserve their good reputation. First up is the 2009 to 2011 BMW 328i with the naturally aspirated N52 engine. This car is the very definition of balance, reliable, smooth, and not outrageously expensive to maintain. The secret lies in its simplicity. Without turbochargers, direct injection, or overcomplicated electronics, the N52 is a proven engine that can run for hundreds of thousands of miles if maintained properly. It makes 230 horsepower, which isn't supercar level, but it delivers the kind of silky, linear power that BMW built its brand on. When things do go wrong, it's usually small, predictable stuff like ignition coils or gaskets. These repairs usually cost a few $100s, not thousands, and any competent BMW specialist can handle them. Annual maintenance averages between $600 and $800, a fraction of what you'd spend on turbocharged BMWs. This car shows that BMW can still build a vehicle that feels premium, drives beautifully, and doesn't punish you with endless breakdowns. The 2006 to 2013 BMW 328i and 330i E90 generation. Next we have the E90 generation BMW 3 Series, one of the last truly dependable BMWs before the brand went all in on turbocharging. Models like the 328i and 330i from this era are beloved by enthusiasts because they combine classic BMW driving dynamics with durability. The naturally aspirated 6-cylinder engines, either the N52 or N53, are the heart of this reliability. They produce between 230 and 255 horsepower, deliver smooth acceleration, and hold up far better than the turbocharged engines that followed. The most common issues are small, predictable wear and tear repairs like valve cover gaskets or water pumps, but these can be budgeted for and don't usually lead to catastrophic failure. Preventive cooling system maintenance is important, but even then it's far cheaper than replacing an engine. Owners consistently report that these cars feel solid even after a decade of daily use, and automotive surveys show 40 to 50% fewer problems compared to turbocharged BMWs. Combine that with timeless design, perfect handling balance, and excellent parts availability, and the E90 stands tall as one of the smartest BMW buys out there. The 2000 to 2006 BMW X5 3.0i M54 engine. Now let's go back to the X5, but this time with a twist. While the V8 models were a disaster, the 3.0i 6-cylinder version, powered by the M54 engine, was a completely different story. This is the one SUV from that generation that BMW actually got right. The M54 is a legendary straight six, known for its toughness and long life. Producing 225 horsepower, it isn't blistering fast, but it offers plenty of smooth, usable power without the risks of turbocharging. Major failures are rare, and most problems are basic maintenance items like gaskets and cooling components. These repairs usually fall in the $300 to $800 range and can be planned for. The all-wheel drive system is simpler and sturdier than what came on later BMW SUVs, which means fewer chances for expensive drivetrain disasters. Even today, a well-maintained 3.0i can be a dependable, capable luxury SUV that delivers both comfort and longevity. It's living proof that sometimes the simpler option really is the smarter one. The 2007 to 2013 BMW 335d M57 diesel engine. Finally, we get to what might be the best kept secret in BMW's North American lineup. The 2007 to 2013 BMW 335d with the M57 diesel engine. While most BMWs in this era were plagued by fragile turbocharged gas engines, the 335d stood apart as a tank. Its 3-liter inline-six diesel engine produces 265 horsepower and an incredible 425 pound-feet of torque, all while returning fuel economy that rivals economy cars. Real-world driving often delivers 30 to 40 miles per gallon, an unheard-of figure for a luxury performance sedan. But the real magic is in its reliability. The M57 diesel is so well built that many owners have crossed 300,000 miles without major issues, and some even approach 500,000. Unlike BMW's gasoline turbos, this diesel turbo is more reliable thanks to better cooling and lubrication. Maintenance is straightforward, predictable, and less frequent than on gas engines. Beyond numbers, the driving experience is incredible. The massive torque makes acceleration effortless, highway cruising is smooth, and towing capability is shockingly good. The only downside is availability, since BMW sold relatively few of these in North America. But if you can find one that's been cared for, the 335d is hands down one of the smartest BMWs you could ever buy. At the end of the day, BMW ownership is a gamble, but it doesn't have to be a losing one. Buy the wrong model and you'll be staring down catastrophic engine failures, endless electrical gremlins, and repair bills that rival the cost of the car itself. But buy the right one and you'll enjoy silky smooth performance, world-class handling, and thousands of miles of dependable driving. The key is simple. Avoid the risky turbocharged models, stick to proven, naturally aspirated and diesel engines, and remember that not every BMW is built the same. Choose wisely, and BMW ownership can be everything the brand promises: luxury, excitement, and reliability rolled into one. Get it wrong though, and you'll find yourself stranded on the side of the road with a repair bill that makes your stomach drop. The choice is yours.